Hi there, in this video I'm going to share with you a key difference between customer experience and customer success. If you are a professional who's in sales, marketing, or in IT, banking, or anything to do with the customer, then this video is going to help you understand this difference, which I continuously get asked so many times. So let's get started. My name is Rajat Chawla. I'm Asia's first certified customer experience professional on a mission to help business professionals accelerate their growth by learning the customer experience skills. So what's the difference between customer experience and customer success? Let's first get started with the understanding of customer experience. Customer experience focuses on emotions, on feelings. What you experience, what you feel emotionally at different touch points when you're going through a customer experience process. Whether you're buying something on e-commerce site, whether you walk into a store, whatever happens at different touch point, right from the point of view of you becoming aware of that product or service as a customer, till the point you become a customer, and even after you are retained as a customer. So it's an ongoing process of experience across touch points. Though it's relevant for all kind of industries, but it's more popularly understood in the space of business to consumer, B2C, because there you get to deal as a service provider directly with the end customer. If somebody uses your services as an e-commerce site or as a restaurant or as someone who's providing a store to walk in and buying experience, it is more relevant where consumer directly get in touch with your service. What is customer success on the other side? Customer success, as the name says, focuses on the end goal, on the end outcome. It has a long-term strategy where you want to help your customer with a certain kind of outcome. Actually, the genesis of customer success comes from the IT space, where they call that service as SaaS, software as a service. So what some of these companies realized, where they had customers based on annual subscription, they wanted to retain these customers, so they appointed someone closely working with the customer so that customer is using the product successfully and every year comes and buys the product. So subscription is renewed. That's the genesis of customer success. That was the reason. And it is more popularly used in the B2B, business to business space, where, for example, if a business is using your CRM software, your ERP software, some of your cloud services, so they continue to renew it year on year. And that is to ensure that customer gets maximum value from your service. So these are some of the high level differences. To explain you a little bit better, let's take an example. Let's take an example of someone flying on a flight from one city to another on a vacation. So what is customer experience here is when someone books a flight, arrives at the airport, check in the luggage, and get through the security and board the plane. How this customer is feeling at all these touch points is the representation of customer experience. On the other side, what happens when the customer reaches the destination? How well is the overall outcome for a customer met in this whole process? So customer experience is more about what happens when you arrive at your destination. Just a broad categorization to help you explain better the difference between customer experience and customer success. Are you with me? Yeah, so let's further drill down a little bit more. Customer experience is actually the impressions customer develop about your services at every touch point along the way. It's an ongoing service. And it is also an overall impression customer gathers by working across various touch points. So for example, if you're promoting certain product, you show it through content, certain messaging, certain branding. Then let's imagine that prospect turns into a customer. And then they are the consumer of your service. Then what's their experience? And then later on, if they have to call you for certain post-sales service, what's the experience of that? So it's a aggregation of multiple interactions. And attempt is in the customer experience to make as many interactions positive as possible. So the customer experience focus is to make it easy and enjoyable at every occasion. It is more about here and now. It's not about thinking something in the future or planning or strategy. It is here and now experience. If you now look at in the same way, customer success as we talked is about customer achieving their desired outcome through their use of your platform, your services. As I said, the genesis came from software as a service. Still, it is very popular in that domain primarily. It could include onboard training, ensuring customers are getting at every process high return on investment. Their adoption is high. Their problems are solved in the way. So the role of someone who is responsible for customer success is to make sure that customers' needs are taken care of and they get to use your product for higher return on investment more and more, right? Customer success team would analyze the end results of every interaction and ensure continuous success using the platform. In fact, a lot of companies actually closely work with the customer to evolve their product and to make it better and better. When they do that, they have so much of insight and data that supports the product to be even more effective for the use of the customer. So the CX, this customer success focus is to meet the goal. It looks at the future improvements, as I said, by gathering certain requirements, continuously working closely with the customer. Now, if we look at something which is common across customer experience and customer success, that is what? What's common based on what you've just understood? Common is the customer. Common is customer centricity. Common is the need of the customers being met and having an overall positive outcome and experience when we look at CX and CS together. So it's all about having customer at the heart. And when these two things align, though there is a distinct difference between these two things, if we look at it that way, when you align both the experience, which is the emotional part, the feeling part, with the outcomes, you have a beneficial experience and outcome for the customer with much superior results. So for large companies, these things go hand in hand. And it can only be possible with a customer-centric culture. So for example, a company which is HubSpot, it's into the business of offering customer centricity, technology solutions, IT solutions, CRM platform, and they themselves are also focused on making sure their product deliver great experience, and they also ensure that their customer success is met. And they deliver it with their customer-centric culture. HubSpot is known to be one of the most customer-centric company with a distinctly customer-centric culture. So you need to have both these things working in tandem in order to ensure that your customer gets superior results. I hope you learned something interesting and you could understand the differences, the distinction between customer experience and customer success. Do share what is your focus in your works. Do you use both? Do you use one of these as an offering, as a focal point for your interaction with your customers. I go deep into many of these aspects. I do free webinar. I'll share the link below. Make sure you click the link and be on the list. When I do the next webinar, I can let you know. Also make sure if you've liked this, I keep sharing a lot of more content even on my YouTube channel. Join that channel and I look forward to being in touch with you. Thank you very much.